Installation of different types of doors in our offices. First, install double door. Our workers will measure the size accurately to fix the position of the hinge and mount the door to the door frame using hinges. For good stability of the door, we will insert screws and press them on the door lock. Secondly, cracks in the door body are repaired and patched. The door panels are filled with foams to fill the door installation, making it more firm and stable. We use solid wood doors and aluminum alloy doors. The overall structure of solid wood doors is much more lighter and the outer layer covered with MDF, and then it is a veneer that is pasted on the door panel decoration. In this way, variation colors and panels can be realized on the door panels, not limited to wood's splicing. Solid wood doors have good sound insulation effect and are mostly commonly used in interior doors. Tips that will guide you when buying a door. When you're not working on tight budget, we prefer that you choose solid wood doors for ordinary interior doors. If your budget is too low, choose solid composite doors. We use water-based spent auxiliary materials to make the door panels stick together. If the gap is found to be too large, we can use ceramics to raise the ground to reduce the gap between the doors. That's it for today. Remember to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, share and subscribe. Bye bye.